Okay guys, so welcome to SMC International. आज हम कस्टमर टेस्टिमोनियल ले रहे हैं रिव्यू Ryzen 950 950X का जो ऑफर चल रहा था, इन्हें कूलर फ्री मिला है डीप कूल का.
I'm living my nightmare. It is a monster. It's in my head. I'm living my nightmare. It's in my head. I'm out of air.
How was your experience with SMC?
It was pretty smooth. It was pretty good. It was pretty smooth. Everything was taken care of by the employees there.
So main specs इनके थे 5950X and RTX 4070, 1TB की SSD and 850 watt PSU, 16 GB into 2 sticks है, 32 GB of RAM, and also इन्होंने Kraken V3 USB gaming headset लिया है, which is from Razer. तो आपको overall pricing और ये offer कैसा लगा 5950X के?
I mean, overall, even with the PC, the monitor, and even the headset, everything came under 1.9. So I would say that's a fair deal.
तो 1.9 लाख में इनका मॉनिटर हो गया and 16 core 32 thread. Also इनका RTX 4070, which is not a low end or base variant. This is a gaming extra variant जो कि higher TDP और 3 fans के साथ आता है. As you can see, the RGB on this card is really sick, and जो build इनका turnout हुआ है, it is really looking good. Black and RGB theme पूरा PC है इनका. हम अब पूछते हैं इनसे कि आप इस PC पे करने क्या वाले हो? So क्या करने वाले हो इस PC?
I'm mostly going to use it for gaming and also my Adobe software and 3D design work.
What software is?
I use Photoshop, InDesign, Premiere Pro, video editing software.
So basically he's going to be using it for video editing, जिसके लिए 16 core and 32 thread काफ़ी है. 1440p and 4K editing भी कर देगा है. And mainly कौन से games खेलने वाले हो आप?
Mainly VALORANT खेलने वाला.
As हमने बात करी थी अपने कस्टमर से पहले. I also play VALORANT. He is right now on Ascended, which is a really high rank. Also, if you guys wanna play with him, we can tag him up. बाकी VALORANT की live streams करते हैं, एक बार देखते हैं SMC preparing live streams. और बाकी आपका overall experience, how would you rate SMC की as a offline store comparison में कैसा है इनसे source है?
I mean, I was looking at other stores online and everything, but with looking at reviews and everything, I came to SMC and I think the experience has been the best so far.
Okay, so would you recommend SMC कोई नया customer आ रहा है, कोई build करने rather than going online या Amazon?
Yeah, I would prefer, I mean, it'd be better if you guys came here and built it, and I would definitely recommend it. And it was
Also,
a process. I'm saying it was a pretty fast process.
Also, आपने PC build पीछे बनते हुए देखा अपना, so how was he built it really well? Cable management, आप satisfied है हर चीज़ से?
I mean, I saw the entire PC being built at the back, and I'm pretty satisfied with everything.
Okay, so guys, that was it. And बाकी हम B-rolls and सब PC का डाल देंगे. And if you like this video, hit the like button and also comment कर देना अगर तुम्हें कोई particular PC या कुछ video चाहिए तो. Thanks for watching. अगर आपको भी चाहिए, if you want the Razer products from us, you can directly contact SMC or call our sales team. Also, if you want to build a gaming PC, numbers flash हो रहे होंगे अभी screen पे, just call our sales team, they'll help you with. अगर आपको Intel चाहिए, AMD चाहिए, या तुम्हें कोई custom configuration चाहिए, या AI, ML का, gaming का, video editing, VFX, if you want any kind of PCs, just call the number or visit our website. Thanks for watching this video, guys. That was it for today. So yeah.